I was just sitting here admiring my pots and thinking about the hard work I've been doing and that good supper. Then I realized old Peter Cottontail sitting there looking back at me. There's a couple around here, a couple three, you know. Couple tree! Let's see if you see, oh shoot. See if you see the other fella. No. Look at him. Just look at him. Look. Look at it. You know. Got that moustache on ya. Boy. Just look at ya. Oops. That was some camera work right there, boys and girls. That was smooth. I'm getting good at this. I promise some better content, I'll tell you. That was it. Give me a big thumbs up if you think so, huh? Subscribe too. Oh, look at this. Huh. Oh man, if there was only smell-o-vision, let me tell you. Oh wow. Oh boy. Oh, I mowed the other day. Look at that. Look. Those 3 straight lines. I like to do it right long like that. I didn't weed whack. I leave that for the bunny. Let's check it. Just to check it. What I like about my house is power lines. They go everywhere. But they don't go into the house. Ah. Pretty freaky, huh? Try to figure that one out. Nope. Oh, here's what I was looking forward to. Well, this is a new little pot area we got done, and these weed things, they still penetrating. Man, they take right over. Oh, last year I had to weed whack the pots out of them. It's pretty freaky. They smell good though, they do. Here's the old lobster catchers right here. Gotta patch them up, as they say. Almost broke my neck. Boy. Back go get in the earwigs, are you, buddy? I don't know. Maybe there's only 25 pots here. Oh no, there's some on the outside. I guess I still got quite a few to do. I gotta rope those, rake those, patch those, oh god. Peace.